Hiya. Welcome to the field. Isn't it lovely? The oaks are in full leaf. The bluebells are still out. It is, late spring, early summer. There you go, the flowers are adorable. With the barn, that thing over there, I'm going to say it's finished. Of course, it's never finished, but it's, finished. Do you want to see? Let's have a look. I'll show you around the barn. I'm going to get my strimmer out soon and have a go in this top end of the field, because that's mental. That's high growth. So here we are, got doors on it now. It locks and everything. Shotgun shack style, to allow air to come through. I've got my tools up. There you go. A relief to have somewhere to put them. The water system is all go and doesn't leak very much. The roof, made of a tarpaulin, which was a cheap decision and will have to be replaced. It's going to last 2 or 3 years, hopefully. Anyway, I've got two 1,000 litre water storage tanks fed by the roof, guttering a pipe that comes in over there, and this is full. It fills up the next one, and my trusty Berkey turns that into drinking water. Just like the water companies do with our water, they put a little bit of bleach in it, literally a drop per litre, which is just enough to kill any bacteria and mosquito larvae, because I don't want an ecology developing in there, hence the black covering to keep light out so algae doesn't develop, and the bleach. Just cheap, unfragranced, simple bleach, and it's, if I remember right, it's about 70 mils, which isn't a lot per tank, and that seems to be working good. So we are self-sufficient with water down at the field. Last year, during the very dry spell, I was dragging 80 to 100 litres of water a week down here to water my newly planted trees, and have enough for a cup of tea and a shower sometimes. That's over. I don't have to carry water down to the field, it's just here, so that's a relief and a joy. This is what all the fuss is about, the flipping workshop. Let's have a look. Workbench 1, tool storage. Workbench 2, tool storage. A high bench, because I'm quite tall, and the tools, all nicely organised. So even if it gets a bit condensy in here, if we get, if it gets damp, the electric tools should be alright in there. Touch wood. The last thing I did was this wardrobe. somewhere to store, you know, overalls and clothes that get mucky and stay down here, and PPE, you know, chainsaw, hat, yeah, work boots, all that stuff. Need to put some doors on that, but that'll have to wait till I've got a bit more cash. And of course, a chap like me, when he gets wood, he wants to put it somewhere. And that's what this is. This is the wood store. So there's a series of videos about building the wood store and the workshop. But I thought my videos were getting a bit samey. You know, saw, screw, assemble. Yeah, that's why I haven't made a video for a while. Sorry. Also, rather off-putting thing, I happened to catch some foxes playing, some fox cubs, just over there, 50 metres from here. And it must have been their first time out, because they didn't, you know, they didn't recognise me as a danger. So they were just playing away quite happily, and it was adorable. And you know, my videos usually get a few views. This one's got nearly 1,000, mostly from Bangladesh. Go figure. So yeah, there we are. I've spent today just tidying up really, and putting up, you know, a couple of little shelves. And here we are. So this is comfortable and useful. The floor is a dirt floor. It is a dirt floor. And so that's the next thing. I shall have to research how African people manage to polish. Anyway, I've had a good go today at pulling out some of the plants that are still here, and so I might give that a go. Failing that, I'm going to need a whole bunch of pallets in order to put a floor in here, because it is very dusty at the moment, and I'll have to do something about that. The main reason I'm here, just in time for this. Oh, here's a fox slinking about. Where is he? Ah. Hello, Foxy. What's up? Ooh. That was fun. So that fox has 5 cubs. Still looking at me. So you, in there, in the internet, you go and be nice to yourself, alright, and then you go and be nice to somebody else. And take care. See you soon. Fox. I think with 5 fox cubs, the rabbits are going to be given a hard time this summer. Anyway, bye.